guys, just wanted to show you today this really cool software that I got. Okay. What this is my tiny house project. And I already have a she shed and I'm going to turn it into a tiny house cottage. So cool. And this is an app that I have on my iPad. If you look in the box below, there'll be a link to sugarplumdolls.com and you can see what I use for this. And this app is so cool. I don't know. Oh, I'm torn between telling you about the app and looking at my tiny house concept. Anyway, this is 135 feet interior shed. And this is what I want it to look like. As you can see, it's got like a little writing area, living area. Oops. Okay. Now I'm trying to click through to show you the bathroom, which also will have a shower. Oh, okay. I'm not so good with moving stuff. And they have that washer dryer combo thing all in one. So I figured I'd put that under the sink in the bathroom. So really cool, huh? So, in working with my contractor, actually before I put this together, we did a walkthrough, and he was telling me the limitations, what I can and can't do with, to make it livable. Oh, I can use this for so many things, just craft time, or if you got company coming from out of town, or a weekend getaway for me. So it's really cool. Refrigerator, stove, kitchen area, and those are the double doors and whatnot. Um, I am loving the software, and I plan to do more of this and get better at it. So thanks for watching. Bye.